Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pancake donuts updated. Preheat a non-stick skillet and whisk pancake batter slightly thicker than usual. Spoon batter rings or use a donut pan. Cook until bubbles form, then flip once. Keep heat medium-low to avoid burning and press centers gently for even cooking. Serve warm with glaze, maple syrup, or fresh fruit, and enjoy a playful weekend twist on classic pancakes. Make batter slightly thicker than regular pancakes so rings hold shape, using less milk if needed. Use a piping bag, squeeze bottle, or spoon to form rings directly on the skillet or into a donut pan for uniform shape. Cook on medium-low heat, flipping when bubbles appear, and test doneness with a toothpick. Glaze while warm for best adhesion, and store extras in an airtight container for up to 2 days. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. On another note, the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated while you cook, with a spill-proof lid and easy one-handed sip. It fits most cup holders and keeps drinks cold through long mornings. Check the description for the link and other deals. I appreciate every view. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Experiment with batter by folding in cinnamon, vanilla, or mashed banana for extra flavor without changing texture. Try toppings like powdered sugar, chocolate glaze, maple drizzle, crushed nuts, or fresh berries for variety and color. For a crisp exterior, briefly finish donuts in a 350 degrees F oven for a few minutes, watching closely to prevent drying out. Plate attractively and serve warm for best taste and texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.